to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. It's Sunday. Sunday is the integrative personality, the integrative vibration. Everything. Integrative. Bring it all together. There's a bunch of holidays this week. Holy days, right? Holy days. Holy day. So happy whatever you celebrate. And that's the point, right? Whatever you celebrate, it's happy. It's good for you. May not be right for me, but on Integrative Day, who's to judge? No one. Integrative Day relates to Jesus, and relates to Krishna, and relates to Buddha. There he is, right there. Right next to Charlie Hayden. And Buddha's got an Albert Eiler pin on. There he is. Oh, that Buddha. Anyway, that's the point though, right? You do your thing, I do my thing. No discrimination. All is right with the world. We all play our parts. We all have a part. We can't change our part. We're given a part. Can't change it. Even if we're falling apart, can't change it. If it's going to change, it will change, right? We are here to know that on Sundays we can more easily see the big picture of things. We all have our unique views on things, right? We all see things in our own way. We are all right for us as long as we're true to ourselves. Not taking on someone else's thing, or wanting to be someone else, or, wishing we could do it that way, or, I wish I could play the bass like that guy does. Well, I'm not that guy. I am not that guy. I gotta be me. And you gotta be you. And that's the whole point, especially on Sundays. Just to realize that is quite an amazing thing and quite a gift. A Your Life Blueprint gift to the world, right? Your gift is your own unique vision, your own uniqueness, your own unique thinking, your own unique digestion, your own unique hearing, your own unique smelling, your own unique tasting. Some people taste something and they're like, yeah, ooh, that's good. And other people taste something and they're like, that's horrible. Get that away from me. I never want to eat that again. Who's right and who's wrong? Nobody. So again, today we can go a little bit beyond our own uniqueness, right? And not changing ourselves, but seeing, especially on Sundays, a little more of the big picture. Or just understanding that there is a bigger picture, than our own way of seeing things. And to honor that in everybody is the entire point of Integrative Sunday.